Hi guys, you're welcome again to another episode of Train the Giddyway. So guys, if you are in Lagos, you can register for my physical class happening this May. And if you are outside Lagos, you can register for my online class. I'll be giving 6 styles that will be very detailed. I'll be doing a live section and also a pre-record section just for 10,000 naira. So you can do the giveaway. Just message me with the number on the screen for more detail. So guys, this Turban style is very unique. I saw it and I loved it. So guys, I want to teach you people how to achieve it. So I will be doing my 50. I'll be doing my now. This is in less 60 gele. This is a very short length, it's 60 gele. So I will try to measure it so that I do it. I'm assuming now that it's 100, so I share it 70-30. I want to do a V from it. I'll see. So please let's note, whenever your V is too short, always know that you can do 35-65. So guys, I just got my 60-30, which by we share 50-50, then 25-25, add 5 to 8 will give you. So I make pleats. The plate I'll be making now, I will make it up to 6. All right, so our V is 1 ear close, 1 ear open. So guys, this tie I'll be doing, everything is just all about pleats, and I'll be knotting. Please, whenever you are doing, make sure your pleats are always firm. Make sure your pleats are always firm. She will have to hold. Please always arrange carefully. All right. All right, you use this hand to hold it, or this hand to hold it. Then you place this hand here. So guys, one ear close. Now we'll be closing the other ear with other SX. So what do? We close. We're gonna be making, and I always tell you guys, we count our V. Like now we're big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pleats. So we'll try our best to make nice 7 pleats from this angle. So you use it and close the other side. Now you can see this is a very nice and proper V. But now back to the aim of today. You have to hold here. So guys, I will take 3 pleats here. Let's watch. I'm gonna be making 3 pleats from here. 1, 2, 3. See, make it 1, 2, 3. Or I can decide now. Let me pleat everything to make it neater. Let me just pleat everything to make it neater. Okay, so please just help me hold here. You see, I pleat everything this way. You can see the pleats all pleated, everything. So I want to tie. This goes up. This comes out. So is it tight?
Yeah.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Is tight, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So move here and let me see. Okay. Now, this side now, all you need to do is just put it that you can see. All you need to do, arrange this side properly. Arrange this side properly. Once you arrange it properly, look for how and pin it at the back. Arrange and pin at the back. You arrange also and pin at the back. Very important. Now come to the front. What you do here, you pin all these ones down. Please, you need to start practicing how to pin. You can see after tying, I still need to pin. Once it goes down, you will bring it back up. That do the same for here. So guys, all this now, we shocking it inside. We tuck it inside and we pin. We just wrap and pin. Like I said, this is a very creative turban. This is a very creative turban. So now let me push it back. So this is the turban now. I want to push it back. Please hold your 2 ears. So push it back. Now you see, if it's to be an airline gele, so you see, just remove your hand. So you see, this is a full turban style. You see, this is a turban style. See how it is, well pleated, and also you can use silk for this. So guys, let's keep doing it the Giddyway.